Thank you for having purchased iScribe. This is an audio video user manual. How to configure an output folder. The very first step as soon as you open the application is to configure an output folder. As shown on the right hand side, you can see that there is a configure button. Click on the configure and you can choose a path, let's say in desktop, and you can create a new folder. It can be output folder, iScribe, or any name which you want to suggest. And the moment you have created a new folder, configure that folder as shown in this video. This is the first step and most important step before using the product.